boots on the ground, putting it down. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, I got to do this in two parts. I'm here at the MP uh, Materials Pavilion headquarters. Man, this place is out of sight. In Vegas, it's out of sight, just like my CB's hat. It's great, but it's a lot here. MP Materials is arguably the number one most exciting uh, rare earth project in America now. As you know, we've been following MP Materials Mountain Pass project for a while. They are losing money, but they are have gotten a big infusion, of course, 400 million from the government, and they've gotten other proceeds. We're going to be getting some money, I think, from Apple, and we'll see because they have they're going to have the material that's needed that we've been cut off a lot of from China, and China's been giving us bits and pieces. But what can you say? It is what it is, and we think MP Materials will do really well. I am a one of the shareholders in MP Materials, and it's okay. It's okay. It's done very very well, very very well. So it's like Fort Knox here. Getting in these places is a trip, but this is we'll walk through and you'll see the building. It's a very very nice building, very very nice, a very very nice headquarters and stuff. Improved Materials has it going on. They have it going on. As you can see, the lobby, the baby knockout goat. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Nice, nice area. I'm gonna try and get up to their office. We'll see. There we go. Okay, you guys, there we go. Just have to get off the elevator. Everything is top secret. Ladies and gentlemen, that was short and sweet. It was short and sweet. MP Materials has it going on. If you want to look at their offices and stuff, I'm headed back out. Let me see if I can get there up top there. Hold on. If you look at the MP Materials logo up there on the building, wow, this building is new. It's got it going on. Up top in that office, right up there. Ladies and gentlemen, my surprise visit to MP Materials, I'd have to say it was a failure. I didn't get what I wanted to get. Very, very tight security at their headquarters. Anyone else, I don't think they'd have made it up to their office. But I kind of went, you see how I'm dressed, and sometimes you have to go as a delivery person, and talk to these people like, I wouldn't say, scheme or anything, but they don't give you any information. And we know MP Materials is losing money now, but we know they live in large. I'm telling you right now. You saw the pictures of the lot. They are the conference room blew me away. The president will probably be up there. It was nice. It was nice, but Mountain Pass, America's only rare earth, processing mine, whatever you want to call them. MP Materials just owns it, and it's doing very well. They've got it. They lost 13 cents last quarter. They did better than the street said. The street said it was like 17 cents. So they're losing money. But the margins with these rare earths are going to be huge. They're going to be huge. So all I can say is just keep an eye on this one. Sure, we badmouthed it before in the past because they were getting materials, sending it to China processing, and they send it back to us. Well, they've changed that now because they're going to have a processing plant. They're supposedly doing something in Texas. So we'll see. Like I said, I own a little bit of this stock. I don't own a lot of it. I didn't back the truck up. Maybe I should have, but I didn't. We have a lot of rare earth. We have some number ones in the Baby Knockout newsletter. Make sure you get a copy of the Baby Knockout newsletter. That our number ones in these rare earth areas are going to do very, very well. Yes, and I wanted to address something today. I planned the trip to MP Materials after my walk today, and doing my thing, just following up, keeping the information, the best information possible for you. Something's happened today with the president talking about cannabis. Now, as long as Mitch McConnell is alive, and as long as you got these weak people in Congress that won't side with the president no matter what, I don't even know if they'll side with them on cannabis, a bipartisan issue. But I haven't talked about cannabis in a while. But I should let you know that the books, my cannabis book, I'm going to save that for later. I'm going to do another thing because they started selling about 3 weeks ago. So if you think this game is rigged, if you, yeah, 3 or 4 weeks ago, why were cannabis books selling? That was my question. And it was in my mind. I said, wait a minute. Why are cannabis books selling? Why are cannabis? This is 3 or 4 weeks ago. Well, we found out today because the president is talking about doing something with it. But anyway, love you. God bless you. I just want to make a quick tape here, a quick video for you here. But I'm going to do an exclusive video later on. I'm going to do one on cannabis. I want you guys to be on top of this story, on top of cannabis. But another one of our rare earth critical mineral stocks, MP Materials. I'll try and get to as many as I can. I'll travel the world for you, ladies and gentlemen. This one happens to be in Summerlin, the headquarters in Las Vegas. So, you fly out, one of those $49 flights, you fly out, you come back, you visit. It's all fun. It's all fun. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. If you need strength, need energy, need guidance, look up.